This is a Yamaha 5 that was given to me because it's got a fault. It's been through a repair shop, so I wondering if it was going to be something fairly complicated. But the first thing I did was put it in a barrel, start it up. Now, it didn't seem to be having any coolant flowing through, so I thought, well, maybe the coolant's the problem. So I tried hosing out all the holes and inputs and whatever that's under the water to try and get it flowing again, and started it back up. But I think actually what I did was put more water in the barrel, which made it work properly. So I don't think that was my fault. Second idea, maybe it's a dirty carburetor. So I tried some carb cleaner for a while, more carb cleaner. Still, it cuts out. So then I thought, well, it's got to be ignition. Maybe when it gets hot, something's expanding and the ignition stops working. So I put a little spark plug tester on, and at first it seemed as though I'd found the problem, because the spark plug tester little neon was not lighting up when I'm pulling on the cord. Yet, if I shorted the spark plug tester straight to the engine block, then you can't see it on this video, but I could see the neon flashing. Tried tightening the spark plug just in case it was a poor earth. Tried taking it out, having a look at it. Looked okay, gap's okay, it's not clogged up or anything. So I put it back in. Still no luck. So I'm thinking it's got to be this spark plug. There's a fault in the spark plug that when it gets hot, it stops working. Last resort, as I had a can of carb cleaner on me, gave it a little spray, put it back in, and hey presto, worked fine. So maybe that's it. Maybe I've fixed it. Easy option, £4 off eBay, buy a new spark plug. So, having bought a new spark plug, I put it in. Starts first time. Wonderful. Works well. So rather than test it for ages, I thought I'll go straight out. Happy as Larry, here we go. Works fine, but you may be able to tell the cover's off, and I've got a glove on. So clearly I haven't fixed anything. So a little test here, put it out of gear, pull it, won't start at all. Okay. There's a little bulb for priming the carburetor. So I'm priming away here. And I think you can guess by the fact I'm already geared up for it. It starts fine. So I'm thinking, okay, could still be the carburetor, could be the fuel pump, or could be the inline or something blocking one of the pipes. So, cheapest option, buy a new filter. There it is. Okay, so starts, ticks over nicely. So I take it out again. And I go up the river. I go down the river. I go across the river. I emptied a full tank of petrol and it ran perfectly the whole time. So the moral of the story has to be, even if somebody else has looked at it, still look at all the simple things.